Yeah, we're gonna have a video of
Take it.
little speed.
Move your feet. Bit open.
Get it, boy. Touch. Tear it.
Mama lighting the house on fire after knocking over the Hanukkah candles.
Right.
Yeah.
Give him a second. We gotta go off the side there. There we go. Get it. That's yours. Go get it.
Come on. This is what you've been trying for a week now.
Yeah, but now that you want me to open it, it's no fun.
Don't open it. Hey, we got the ball off. Okay.
Yeah.
We don't want you to open it.
Wait, Mikey, save the paper.
No,
No, don't let him get it. Come on. Oh.
he left the bow.
That's right. He's gonna screw the present. I'm gonna eat the bow.
I got a bow. I got a bow.
What's that on his leg?
Nobody took me away.
On his other leg.
I'm wrapping.
Oh, wrapping? Tape or something?
What are you thinking about there?
Hey.
Yeah.
Stay away from that. No. Oh.
Don't make me smack you.
Oh no, use my present. You're Robbie's.
Why? What's it to you?
Smack the cat's bow with Robbie's present, not mine.
As long as he doesn't pee on the presents, whatever.
James,
When there's a movie being made, it also picks up every bit of the ambient noise, and you get quoted forever and ever on my
lady.
It's true.
Because everybody out there that clicks on his last one heard Mark saying the F word.
What?
Clicked on what?
The last picture we took of the baby, the last video. Click on it, there you are in the middle of it saying the F word.
He's like, what is?
Wow.
Let me take him up.
Yeah, hold on a second. No, it's not this. Mikey. Hi.